Ha? Deadline na? Teka nga, chat ko nga mga kagrupo ko. Hey guys, the deadline for a project is coming up. Are we not done yet, Baba?
I am done now with my part.
I'm also done with mine.
Same here.
Hello?
No?
Guys, where's Elijah?
He's probably busy. Let's give him a bit more time.
Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Siya na lang hindi nagawa ng part niya oh. Paano tayo matatapos nito?
Huwag ka masyado magpaka-stress, Nelisa. We'll figure something.
Paano di magpapaka-stress? We have less than 3 days to finish this.
Wait, I get where you're coming from. Pero we have to consider, baka may pinagdadaanan din si Ina.
Lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, Kenan. Pero all of us still manage to do our part. We can't keep waiting. Maubos na yung oras natin and without a doubt, we'll get a deduction if we don't submit this project on time.
Hey, sandali lang. Hindi tayo magkakaintindihan ng maayos if we communicate like this.
I'm sorry guys. I didn't mean to sound harsh. I'm just really worried about how this could affect our grades.
I wonder what he's going to. Elijah, are you okay?
I can take care of the research and writing part. Kaya ko na agad yun.
I'll handle the visuals and layout.
I can help with the revision and organizing everything later.
I'll take the main content compilation and final editing. Kaya ko yan.
Nice. Big role yan ha, pero I trust you.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, natapos ko na agad yung part ko. How about you guys? Any updates?
Wala pa eh, pero that's okay. Our deadline is kind of far away pa naman eh.
Yes, mahaba pa yung time natin. Pero let's finish this as soon as possible para hindi na tayo mag-cram.
Alright, sige guys. Kaya natin to. Just give progress from time to time para aware ang lahat what's already finished. Oh, Elijah! Finally! Kamusta ka?
Elijah, we've been waiting. Hindi na namin alam kung napapano ka na.
Sorry talaga guys. Alam ko na late na ako and kasalanan ko na hindi ako nag-update.
Elijah, okay ka lang ba? You don't look okay.
To be honest, sobrang hirap these past few weeks. May problem sa bahay and I had to take a part-time job para makatulong. Pag uwi ko, sobrang pagod na talaga ako. Hindi ko sinasadya na mapabayaan yung project. Pero mali ko kasi hindi ako nagsabi.
I didn't know. Kala ko wala ka talagang pakialam.
I understand kung ba't ka nagalit. I should have communicated. Sorry talaga sa stress na binigay ko sa inyo.
This is exactly why communication is important. Hindi naman malalaman kung ano ang pinagdadaanan mo kung hindi ka magsasalita, di ba?
Tama si Caleb. We're a group. Hindi lang grades to. Teamwork din.
Guys, instead of blaming each other, let's find a solution. May time pa naman kahit konti.
Sorry rin, Elijah. Nadala lang talaga ako ng stress. I just don't want us to fail.
Salamat, Nelisa. I promise, babawi ako.
What if we redistribute the task? We can help Elijah's compilation para mas mabilis.
I can help him with editing tonight.
I can review the content and check kung may kailangan pang ayusin.
Okay, final decision. We'll work together tonight and tomorrow. Let's set a mini deadline and update para matapos na tong project na to.
Thank you guys. Hindi ko to makakalimutan.
Alright guys, lesson learned. Honesty and communication is the key. Kaya natin to.
Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan.
Yan, salamat sa Diyos. Tapos na!
Happy birthday, kadalasan ginapang mong marahan.
Ba't ba nakapon yung
Ba't ka mawito?
Sa kalitaas